Late one harvest evening I took the road from Glentee's fair. I overtook a fresh-led colleen of modest mien and air. How pleasant our discoursing was, it grieved me to be sure, when she said at length,
"Goodbye, kind sir, my path's across the moor."
I looked upon her wistfully, her gaze fell upon the grass. "It's lonesome walking is the moor," I said, Fhaoláin jazz. "The path is not so narrow, there's room for two, I'm sure. If you don't object, I'll take with you the path across the moor."
"The moon is up, the path is straight," she answered courteously, "and I never do feel lonesome when crossing of Terry. I thank you very kindly, sir, but to my father's door I've always took the path alone," she said, "across the moor."
That the path's both safe and pleasant for one, I'm sure is true. But you guess not its delight, I said, when jogged along by two.
"A kind goodbye, pray, gentle sir, my father he is poor, and I a humble maid have never been beyond the moor."
"You do your father wrong," I said, "for his is wealth untold. The King of Royal Spain's not so rich, despite all his gold. And rank and worldly riches for me have little lure. I'd barter both with you to walk henceforth across the moor." I looked into her tender eyes, she blushed and cast them down. I touched my lips upon her hand, still Molly did not frown. I took her hands in bows of mine and prisoned them secure,
while she murmured, "You may join me, sir, on the path across the moor."